pests tearing through your garden, animals helping themselves to your hard work, and expensive sprays that barely do a thing. Today I'm showing you $10 tree garden hacks that stop pests and animals fast, using simple items that cost just $1.25 and actually work in real gardens. These are smart, budget-friendly solutions you can put together today. No chemicals, no gimmicks, just proven tricks that protect your plants without draining your wallet. Welcome back to Timeless Gardening, where we grow smarter, not harder. If you love saving money while keeping your garden healthy and thriving, make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss a new tip. And before we jump in, drop a comment and tell me where you're watching from. I love seeing how far this gardening community reaches. Let's get started. Hack number 1: garlic and mint spray that stops pests fast. If aphids, mites, beetles or other soft-bodied insects are attacking your plants, this simple garlic and mint spray can shut it down quickly. Grab a Dollar Tree spray bottle and mix 4 to 5 crushed garlic cloves with a generous handful of fresh mint leaves and 2 cups of water. Let it sit overnight so the natural oils release. Then strain the mixture and add a small drop of dish soap so it sticks to the leaves. Spray directly onto affected plants, focusing on the undersides of the leaves where pests like to hide. Within a few days and a couple of applications, you'll notice less damage and healthier new growth. This works because garlic contains sulfur compounds that insects can't tolerate, while mint adds an extra layer of scent that repels pests instead of attracting them. Unlike harsh chemical sprays, this solution is gentle on your plants and your garden environment, yet tough on the bugs causing the problem. Store any extra spray in a cool spot and reapply every few days or after rain for best results. Compared to store-bought organic sprays that can cost $15 or more, this Dollar Tree hack costs just pennies and delivers real protection. Hack number 2: aluminum foil pest and animal deterrent. Aluminum foil might be one of the most overlooked pest deterrents in the garden, and it's surprisingly effective against everything from insects to birds and even larger animals. You can tear foil into long strips and attach them to garden stakes, trellises or low branches where they'll move freely in the wind. The constant flashing and motion creates unpredictable light patterns that scare birds away from fruit, confuse flying insects, and make deer and squirrels uneasy enough to stay back. You can also shred foil into smaller pieces and mix it lightly into mulch around vulnerable plants to reflect sunlight upward, which disrupts pests that travel along the soil surface. What makes this hack work so well is how uncomfortable it makes the space feel to animals without harming them. Pests rely on visual cues to navigate and feel safe, and foil completely disrupts that sense of calm. For fruit trees and berry bushes, hanging rolled or crumpled foil tubes near clusters adds another layer of protection, where animals are most likely to strike. The key is keeping the foil shiny and mobile, so replace or reposition it once it dulls or stops moving. For just $1 and a little creativity, this hack creates a powerful visual barrier that protects your garden day and night. Hack number 3: coffee grounds pest barrier. Used coffee grounds are a powerful and budget-friendly way to keep some of the most annoying garden pests away, especially slugs, snails, ants and even neighborhood cats that like to treat garden beds like litter boxes. You can spread a thick 2-inch wide ring of coffee grounds directly around the base of your plants, or along the edges of garden beds where pests usually enter. The rough texture is uncomfortable for soft-bodied pests to cross, and the strong smell alone is often enough to stop them before they reach your plants. For best results, reapply every couple of weeks or after heavy rain since moisture breaks them down over time. What really makes coffee grounds effective is the caffeine content, which is toxic to slugs and snails in concentrated contact, while ants avoid it because it interferes with their scent trails and damages their exoskeletons. As a bonus, coffee grounds slowly break down and add nitrogen to the soil, giving your plants a gentle nutrient boost while protecting them. Just don't overdo it, especially in small beds or containers, since too much can affect soil balance. Used the right way, this hack creates a natural multi-purpose barrier that protects your plants and improves your soil at the same time. Hack number 4. Mesh laundry bags for fruit protection. If birds and squirrels keep stealing your fruit just days before it's ready to harvest, mesh laundry bags from Dollar Tree are a game changer. Simply slip the bag over individual fruits or small clusters once they reach about half their full size. Then tighten the drawstring securely around the branch or stem. The mesh allows sunlight, air and rain to reach the fruit while physically blocking pests from getting to it. This works especially well for apples, pears, peaches, tomatoes, and even small melons that need protection during the final weeks of ripening. The reason this hack is so effective is that it creates a physical barrier without trapping moisture or heat, which can cause rot with plastic coverings. Unlike expensive specialty fruit bags, these laundry bags are durable, reusable, and large enough to cover multiple fruits at once. They also blend into the garden better than bright plastic netting, so they don't ruin the look of your plants. One pack can last several seasons, making this a long-term, low-cost solution that protects your harvest right up until picking day. Hack number 5. Wind chimes that scare animals away. Wind chimes aren't just decorative, they're a powerful tool for keeping animals out of your garden when used the right way. Small metal wind chimes from Dollar Tree create sharp, unpredictable sounds whenever there's even a light breeze, which immediately puts deer, rabbits, and birds on edge. Hang several chimes throughout the garden, especially near entry points or areas where animals usually sneak in. For best results, place some lower to the ground, so animals are more likely to brush against them, triggering sudden noise right when they're least expecting it. This hack works because most garden pests rely on quiet and routine to feel safe, and wind chimes destroy both. The random sound pattern prevents animals from getting comfortable, especially when chimes are moved or rotated every few weeks. Metal chimes are more effective than wooden ones, because the sharper tone travels farther and feels more threatening. Used alongside visual deterrents like foil or reflective tape, wind chimes add an extra layer of protection that works day and night, all for just a few dollars. Hack number 6. Cayenne pepper spray for persistent pests. When rabbits, deer, squirrels, or groundhogs keep coming back no matter what you try, cayenne pepper is one of the strongest natural deterrents you can use. Grab a Dollar Tree spice container of cayenne pepper, and mix 2 tablespoons with 1 tablespoon of dish soap and 1 quart of water in a spray bottle. Shake it well and spray it onto leaves, stems, and the outer perimeter of your garden beds. This creates an invisible barrier that animals will taste or smell before they get a chance to do serious damage, and most won't come back after just one encounter. This works because cayenne contains capsaicin, which causes an intense burning sensation that mammals strongly dislike, without permanently harming plants when used correctly. It's especially effective when applied early in the season, before animals form a habit of feeding in your garden. Always reapply after rain or watering, and avoid spraying close to harvest time on edible portions. Wearing gloves while mixing and applying helps prevent irritation, and rinsing produce thoroughly before eating is important. Used as a perimeter defense, this spicy spray creates a powerful low-cost shield that protects your garden from repeat offenders. Hack number 7. Stakes and reflective tape scare zone. Birds can wipe out seedlings and berries in a matter of hours, but a simple combination of garden stakes and reflective tape can stop that damage fast. Place stakes around the most vulnerable plants, spacing them a few feet apart, then tie or wrap reflective tape so it hangs loosely and moves freely in the wind. As the tape twists and flashes, it creates sudden bursts of light and subtle noise that birds interpret as danger. This is especially effective for berry bushes, newly planted seedlings, corn, and any area birds tend to target repeatedly. What makes this method so powerful is that it overwhelms birds' senses without harming them. The movement, reflection, and unpredictable pattern make it difficult for birds to feel safe landing or feeding in the area. Unlike static scarecrows that birds quickly learn to ignore, reflective tape constantly changes with light and wind. For best results, reposition the stakes or adjust the tape every few weeks, so the setup never looks the same. For just a couple of dollars, This hack creates a flexible, reusable defense system that protects your plants throughout the growing season. Hack number 8. Organza gift bags for insect-proof fruit. Organza gift bags from Dollar Tree are one of the easiest and cleanest ways to protect individual fruits from insects and small birds. Once fruit starts to form, simply slip a bag over each piece or small cluster and pull the built-in drawstring snug around the stem or branch. The lightweight mesh allows air, sunlight and rain to pass through while keeping insects, wasps, and curious birds out. This works especially well for apples, pears, peaches, tomatoes, and even small grape clusters that need protection as they ripen. The big advantage of organza bags is how convenient and reusable they are. Unlike homemade covers or plastic bags, these already have drawstrings, come in multiple sizes, and don't trap moisture that can cause rot. They're durable enough to last multiple seasons and subtle enough to leave on until harvest without drawing attention. For gardeners who want maximum protection with minimal effort, this hack delivers professional-level results for a fraction of the cost. Hack number 9. Plastic tablecloth ground barrier. Plastic tablecloths from Dollar Tree aren't just for parties. They make an excellent barrier against ground-dwelling pests and weeds in your garden. Cut the tablecloth to fit around plants, leaving an X-shaped opening for stems to grow through, and secure it with rocks or stakes. This creates a physical layer that pests like slugs and snails can't easily cross, while also reflecting sunlight onto the undersides of leaves, which helps confuse insects that travel along the soil surface. It also helps reduce soil splash onto leaves during rain, lowering the risk of soil-borne diseases, and can act as a basic weed barrier. The effectiveness of this hack comes from the combination of physical blocking and light reflection. Slugs, snails, and other crawling pests encounter the tablecloth as a rough, unappealing surface, while reflected light deters insects from navigating underneath the plant canopy. Choosing silver or reflective tablecloths amplifies this effect by increasing the light flashes that disrupt pest behavior. This simple low-cost solution not only protects your plants, but also saves time on weeding and reduces disease pressure, making it a multifunctional hack that works for nearly any garden setup. Hack number 10. Soap bars as a scent barrier. Strongly scented soap bars from Dollar Tree, like Irish Spring, can be a surprisingly effective way to keep deer and some rabbits out of your garden. Simply place the bars inside mesh bags, old pantyhose, or small cloth pouches and hang them around the perimeter of your garden at about 3-4 feet high, roughly nose height for deer. Space them every 3-4 feet so the scent creates a continuous barrier, and replace the soap when the fragrance fades, usually about once a month. This natural method uses the human scent in the soap to signal potential danger to browsing animals. The beauty of this hack is that it's safe, inexpensive, and low maintenance. Deer instinctively avoid areas that smell like humans, so the soap gives your garden a protective perimeter without harming wildlife. It also deters rabbits to a lesser extent when combined with other protective measures, like fences or sprays. For maximum effectiveness, rotate the soap locations periodically so animals don't get used to the scent, and combine it with other hacks like Cayenne spray or reflective tape for a layered defense. With just a few bars, you can create a strong reusable scent barrier that keeps your plants safe all season long. And there you have it. 10 Dollar Tree garden hacks that actually work to stop pests and animals fast, without spending a fortune on expensive sprays or specialty products. From garlic and mint sprays, to simple reflective tape and soap barriers, each of these solutions uses everyday items in smart ways to protect your plants, fruit, and flowers. By combining these hacks and rotating them throughout the season, you can build a garden that's resilient, thriving, and much less appealing to unwanted visitors. Remember, the key is consistency and layering multiple tactics so pests never get comfortable in your space. Which hack will you try first? Drop a comment below and let me know where you're watching from. I love seeing how far this gardening community reaches. If these tips saved you money or made your garden easier to manage, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to Timeless Gardening for more budget-friendly tips, tricks, and smart growing ideas. Smart solutions beat expensive ones every time, and with just a few simple items, you can enjoy a healthier, pest-free garden all season long.